day 4 of sharing 30 internal family system parts inside of me so you can learn about them if they're inside you as well. I'm Megan. I make tools for people to learn on their own or for therapists to use with their clients. The shame part carries too much or I'm not enough. It may hide and go quiet, or it may flood you. So my shame part is really centered around I was sick a lot as a kid. I started out, I know when I was a baby, I was allergic to milk. So my mom tried really hard to figure out what kind of milk to give me. I don't remember this, and look at, I don't remember. I was literally an infant. But there's some part of me that remembers this, feels ashamed that there was something wrong with me from birth. I was sick all the time. I had ear infections all the time. I had strep throat 7 times in 7th grade. I had to have my tonsils out. I had mono. I was sickly. And one of the things that was really hard is that I wasn't always believed. And there's a story that goes along with this. I was probably 8 or 9. My mom said, fine, if you're going to be homesick again, then we have to go to the doctor. This is ridiculous. And I was like, okay, I'm little. I didn't know. For some reason, I think, there were times in my childhood where we only had one car. My dad worked out of town. One of our cars was broken. We always had beater cars. So my mom and I walked to the doctor's office. It was only 4 blocks away. We're not talking miles. 4 blocks away. It was winter, but it was a mild winter day. The doctor saw us and said to my mom, she has pneumonia. My mom said, we walked here. And the doctor said, I think you'll be taking a cab home, won't you? From that moment on, my mom took me more seriously. But that doesn't mean that I took me seriously or that I ever healed this part inside of me that always felt like I was too much and too sick. What was wrong with me? There's something to be ashamed of inside of me for being sick. So if you have this part inside of you, this feels familiar in some way, just take a minute, take some deep breaths. Imagine sitting and holding the hand of your shame part. So if you have this part, would you comment below and let me know about it so it can feel seen and understood a little? Thanks.